My name is Emma Abreu, and this is my presentation on Mercury. So Mercury is the first planet from the Sun here, and because of its location, it does have a unique orbit. So it is less of a circular orbit, and which allows Mercury to sometimes be closer to the Sun and at other points to be farther away. And Mercury takes 59 Earth days to rotate once on its axis and 88 Earth days to go all the way around the Sun, causing it to have the longest day in the solar system. All right, here are some images of Mercury's surface, and Mercury is in a unique position because it lacks any kind of atmosphere, which leaves it very exposed to elements and such. So the whole planet is covered in these craters that were caused by the force of high impacts. So the Caloris Basin here in this image is one of the largest impact basins in the whole solar system. And Mercury also has these roots, which were caused from shrinkage. So at one point, Mercury was a larger planet, and it shrunk down to its current much smaller size as its iron core cooled down, causing the shrinkage to crinkle it up, kind of like paper. Okay, and so one fact that I thought very strange is, well, obviously Mercury, being as close to the sun as it is, reaches very, very high temperatures and gets up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. But despite this, Mercury, like nature does, has found a way to have water in the form of ice on this planet. So this image from the NASA website uses the yellow to demonstrate the craters in which ice has been found. So the ice is buried deep inside these craters, hiding away from the sun and all of its heat. Okay, and on my last slide, I have some images of Bepi Colombo, which is a joint project of the European Space Agency and the Japanese Space Exploration Agency. It set off for Mercury in October of 2018 and is set to be there in a few years. So to answer the question we have here, yes, obviously people do think that Mercury research and exploration is important, and they are currently doing it. They are investing their time and their money. I personally think that that time and money could be better set to use on our own planet. I think that we have things that could be done so much better, and I think the resources would be better spent here where we live. But the Mercury exploration is obviously happening and is of interest and importance to people. All right, here are some of my references. So thank you for listening to my presentation.